The government of Meghalaya has decided not to cancel celebrations for the state's Golden Jubilee on January 21st. However, Deputy Chief Minister Prastun Tensong said that the Chief Secretary and DCs have been directed to submit a detailed program list which will be reviewed again next week. He also added that the government has decided to enhance testing and new SOPs in regards to number of days for isolation of mild symptomatic and asymptomatic COVID-19 cases and more will be issued. The Deputy Chief Minister also urged citizens aged 15 and above to get themselves vaccinated, stating that it will reduce the severity in case of a contraction and that booster shots will be available for healthcare, frontline workers and persons above 60 with comorbidities starting next week.
Friends, today again we have a review meeting, visual meeting with our Honorable Chief Minister along with the officers. Again we review the situation in our state, and I think the cases today is about 64 positive cases, and of course thank God there is no death case for today. We don't have any death case, and few issues we discussed, and very soon we are going to issue few more SOPs. I think today evening Chief Secretary will issue the SOP. So just few points I would like to highlight here for the information of all the concerned residents of the state. Last time we decided that anybody coming into our state from all the entry points, irrespective of vaccinated or not vaccinated, but they need to produce RT-PCR test within 72 hours. If it is negative, within 72 hours, they have to produce in the entry point, and then they can go to their normal duties, whatever. So that is number one. And number two, we also strengthen the testing of those especially who are symptomatic. We issue protocols that they need to go for testing willingly. Not necessarily that the health worker has to go and force them to go for testing, but those people who has mild symptom or who are symptomatic, the SOP says that you please go to the testing center, get yourself tested. That again, another SOP. Number 3, after testing, if they are found to be positive, be it asymptomatic or be it symptomatic. For those symptomatic positive patient, it is again requested, it is again directed that they should isolate themselves in their own home quarantine. When the symptom is not that severe, when the symptom is not that severe, stay at home for 7 days. Isolate yourself for 7 days. Then the health workers will also monitor, update their health condition. For those asymptomatic, again, though they tested positive, they need to isolate themselves again in their respective houses for 5 days. And this protocol is based on the advisories issued by the Ministry of Health and also by the advisories issued by World Health Organization. As far as vaccination drive is concerned, we would still request all the residents of the state who are yet to get themselves vaccinated, right from 15 years and above. It is again requested all of them to kindly get themselves vaccinated at the earliest possible. So the question now is, they may say, why should we go for vaccination since the virus again still get infected to their bodies? That will be there. That question will be there. And the question is very genuine also. But let me just tell you why severity as of today is very, very less. Hospitalization rate is very, very less. It is because those who already vaccinated, though they get infected, though they get positive, but they don't need to go to hospital. They don't need hospitalization. When they don't need hospitalization means within 7 days time, within 5 days time, they will recover by themselves. Because of what? It is because of the vaccination. So I would request once again to all the citizens of the state, you have this opportunity where our health workers, where the government has already created vaccination centers everywhere, even up to the village level. Please take this opportunity to get yourself vaccinated. And the last point we discussed about the 50th year celebration. So today, in fact, we decided in a review meeting, celebration has to go on. And Golden Jubilee is a Golden Jubilee. But again, we have directed the Chief Secretary, again we have directed all the Deputy Commissioners concerned to bring out the detailed program where again by next week we will have a review meeting, and then of course we will reduce as much as possible that the attendees who will be part of the celebration should not be much. So for this also we have taken a decision, celebration cannot be stopped. But at the same time, all the details, formalities will be brought in, will be presented again by Chief Secretary and all the Deputy Commissioners. And thereafter, government will take a final call on this.